Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a gift. I'm so happy, honestly. A gift that I received from one of my subscribers. Her name is Fran. You know who you are, Fran. Fran has actually given me permission to do a video on what she sent me. I wouldn't have done it otherwise, and yeah, I say Fran is one of my subscribers. She is one of my subscribers, but more than that, she's become a friend. We chat, we sort of share family things, and we've really got to know each other really, really well. And she's just an amazing, lovely lady. She's got the most stunning hair. If I had her hair, oh my goodness, she's just got this natural curl to it. It's long, it's beautiful. She's beautiful inside and out, I have to say. She sent me this. It's absolutely chock-a-block, full, oh, I can't even hold it out, full of bits and bobs. So I'm going to get stuck in and to share some of it with you. Now, this is one of the things that she sent me. It's Jack Will's English Velvet Body Butter. I've already opened this. I had to have a go straight away. So I've just taken a little bit out. I'm going to put it on my arm. How lovely is that? I've never had anything Jack Will's before. Oh, it's lovely. Honestly, it's lush. Just goes in so easily as well. Feminine smell to it. It's beautiful. It's not sticky, tacky or anything like that. Okay, so that's the first thing. Lipstick I'm wearing, this one here, is this one. And it's a liquid lipstick. I got drawn to this immediately. This only arrived yesterday, and I was drawn to it immediately. Opened it, put it on, stayed all day. I mean, it does say it's a long wearing liquid lipstick, and my goodness me, it is. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Fran did say if there's anything in here that's not really suitable for me, or if I don't really like it, she's not going to be offended, but I can ask my daughter if she wants it. This is a Pro Lip Liner by Freedom. I haven't seen this before. I'm just going to put my Dame Edna's on. An invisible lip liner, eh? I guess it's, I guess you can just wear it with any lipstick then. It will just stop your lipstick from bleeding. So, there you go, it's white. My goodness me, look at that, it is invisible. I'm like doing that quite hard. Nothing, you can't see anything. So, well look, you can see that I've pressed quite hard because I've worn it down that little bit by doing that, the way I pressed. But clearly, this is amazing. So you can use this with literally any lipstick and it would just stop the lipstick from bleeding. How good is that? Loving that. Okay, NYC in Apple Blueberry. Oh, how cute is that? Look, it's even got like a little apple. How sweet is that? Oh, I love it. Let's do a little swatch on this one then. That's nice. That's a really pretty colour. That's lovely. Beautiful. Look at all these pencils, guys. Look at them all. There's loads. True Lips. This is a lip liner. 052. This one, that's what it looks like, that lip liner. Look at that, that's beautiful. Another one by True Lips, and this is 048. There you go. So that's like going to be a pink liner. That's a nice sort of rosy pink colour. This one's called Perfect Eye and Lip, this one. So this is an either or. They are so soft. So that's like a brown. So if you're wearing sort of darker colours on your lips, then this would be perfect. Or you could use it as an eyeliner or in your waterline. But they're so soft, they just glide on. So that's what that one looks like. This is in a grey. Oh, it's so soft. Look at that. And this is by True Lips again. This one. Colour 057, again another pink. There we go, that one there. This one, This is in a grey again, but it's different grey. It's actually more like a taupey grey, this one. By Perfect again. This is brown, like a nudie colour. That's nice. So you can wear that with your nude lipsticks or on your eyes. Beautiful green, lovely. There you go, beautiful green. This is, what colour is this? Like a lovely sort of red colour. Okay, this one's a double-ended pencil. So you've got your darker colour here. There's your darker. It's like, it's almost like a purple, like an aubergine. And then on this end you've got like a silvery, sparkly. Wear it alongside of it. This is one of the white pencils, which is just perfect for on the inside or of your eye, in the corners, or on the waterline. Let's have a go, shall we? It just sort of like adds a little bit of brightness to the corner of the eye. You can wear it in your waterline as well if you want to. There you go. This one is a High Shine lipstick crayon by PS, which is Primark Nude Glow. There you go. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm running out of room, aren't I? Let's go here. Oh, that's nice. That's a pretty one, isn't it? That's lovely. Magic eyeliner and seal eyeliner. Whoops, there you go. Seal eyeliner this end, and here it says eyeliner here. Really fine, sort of nibbed ones. Oh, that's brilliant. Look at that. So fine, and it just went on an absolute dream. What's this one like? Okay. Ah. So is that to give me the wing? I think that might be. Can you see the shape? Can you see that, the shape there? There you go. Oh, that's amazing, look! I'm going to have a go, I'm going to have a play. Right, so I need to go thick end down here, thin end there. Let's have a go. Alright guys. Look! I love it, I love it. Oh my god, it's just perfect! Fran! This is just amazing, I love it. Just look ahead. Look, I got wings. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you. You know, I usually do these with like an angled brush, and I just dip it into either eyeliner or into some dark eyeshadow and do it that way. But this, oh my word, I'm loving it. It's amazing. I'm going to wear this loads. I've found 3 things that straight away I will give to my daughter. Not because I don't like them, because I do. But they are for... They're like a blemish control mask, and I don't really get any sort of spots. I am really lucky, I know that. But, you know, my daughter's not quite 30 yet, and she does still have breakouts with time in the month, etc. I'm a bit past that now. So there's that one there. So I'm definitely going to give that one to Hannah, and I'll definitely give that one. It's exactly the same. And then there's this one, self-heating massage cream. I'm going to keep that one for me. Get Chris to rub that into my back when it's like really sore. There are 2 of these, so I will give one to Hannah, and it's the lip care, so like the lip salve. So I should give one to Hannah and keep one for myself. There's not an awful lot for Hannah. This is like an eyeliner or a kohl pencil. Very fine. Goes on really easily. And then it's got the smudger at the other end, so if you want to do a smoky eye, just give it a little blend And then you can do your smoky eye. I'll keep that as well. Not that I don't want to give it to Hannah, but to be honest, she doesn't really wear anything else on her eyes other than mascara. She doesn't wear eyeshadow. She doesn't wear any eyeliners or anything like that. So, yeah, she's just a mascara girl. Not really sure what it is yet. Oh, it's a lipstick. Oh, wow, that's pretty. That's really nice. I don't know, I don't think she'd wear that colour. Hannah's more of like a nude, literally a nude lipstick wearer, or red. That's probably about the only two colours that I've seen her that she really likes. Whereas I will go for all different types of colours. Pro Camouflage Paste. And I couldn't give this to Hannah either because it's totally different skin colouring. So it's a concealer really, isn't it? There you go. So I just popped it over there. I haven't put a lot on though. Obviously you wouldn't have anything that dark to really conceal. I'm not trying to conceal a tattoo, but you can see I have done it. Love a bit of makeup me, girls. Love a bit of makeup. Eyeshadow dust. Looks like a sparkly. So my straight this. Very difficult to show you. I don't want to tip it out, but I'm gonna, of course, I'm gonna swatch this one. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Can you see that? Look. Oh, wow. Love it. Night out, Christmas, that sort of thing. Love it. Shimmer powder. Oh, Hannah might like this one actually, because it's more of a sort of a goldy colour. So yeah, and it's all sort of sealed, so I won't open it, but just looking at it, it's got like more of a goldy colour to it, so that might go really nicely with her skin. I'm sure it will. I'm still not empty, I'm still going. This is Avon Cosmetics and it's Smooth Mineral. So does that mean it's like a little powder? Yes, I think it does. It's a little, just funny little thingy there. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Look at it. Going by the back of my hand. That's nice too for like summer days, summer nights, summer loving. Even. This is another shimmer powder in a silver. This is going to be as beautiful as well. Oh my god, I love it, love it, love it. Oh my word, look. How amazing is that? Oh, this is one called Leslie Ann Sparkle. You know, all about the sparkle. All about the sparkle. Oh my god, Fran, I'm so spoiled, babe. This one, MUA Makeup Academy Eye Dust. Shade 1. Let's have a look. That's what it looks like in the packaging. Just try and take out a little bit, I think, because I'm quite sparkled out for an ordinary day. So that is like a grey, like a pewter silver grey. I don't know, I'm going to just dab that on my eye a little bit. Just a tiny. Tiny bit in the middle of both. Yeah, just got a little tiny bit of a twinkle to it. Well, I hardly put any on, to be absolutely honest with you. Put a bit more on my hand to show you. So that's what that one looks like. Let's pop it here. I'm running out of hand space. Oh, that's pretty. Very sort of subtle. It's here. Just a little bit of a shimmer and more of a pewter colour. Makeup Obsession, and it's Lip Chameleon. That's what it looks like in the packaging. Use that finger now. So no idea what this does really. It looks very dark, but where am I going to put it? Let's go here. Oh, I see. I think it's... Oh God, what have I got there? It seems to be maybe it goes a different colour on different sort of skins, you know, sort of maybe it goes along with the pH in your skin, I don't know. And last but not least, I have a palette by Revolution, so I just need to open this. So that's the palette in the box. These are all the beautiful colours on the back. They're very pastel, quite subtle colours that we can all wear, I think. But I guess if you're not really into your pastel colours, as in like subtle pastel colours, they may not be for you, but certainly are for me. That's the palette. Let's get this baby open. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, it's got a mirror here. I'm not going to bring the mirror up because I'm going to blind you. But I will try to show you. But they're the colours, and they're all named. I am going to have a ball playing with these. You've got greys, you've got like a charcoal, you've got browns, you've got spicy, you've got sort of golds, you've got nudes. Beautiful colours in here. I won't try them on now because I don't want to keep you guys for too long. Thank you, Fran. Honestly, it means so much to me. I just didn't expect this. I really didn't expect it. I just feel so lucky. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay fabulous. Bye.